Today I'm using black walnut to make a skinny small tree and a skinny tall Christmas tree. This is gonna be some fun home decor. Taking it over to the router table using a 1/4" flush trim bit, I'm gonna match the template. I'm gonna change the bit out and put a 1/4" round over bit on here just to add that little detail. Then moving on to sanding it to my desired smoothness, and then adding atomic oil for the finish. This project's coming together pretty easily. And then just like that, we squeeze them together. Perfect fit. What do you think about this cool template? I love this design and this was a fun project today. I had a blast. All right, see you next time.